Text visualization with word cloud method. In this activity, you will create a word cloud for the 50 most frequent words in a data set. The data set we will use consists of random sentences that are not clean. First, we need to clean them and create a unique set of frequently occurring words. 1. Open a Jupyter notebook. Insert a new cell and add the following code to import the necessary libraries. From word cloud import word cloud, stop words import matplotlib.pyplot. As PLT from NLTK import word _tokenize from NLTK.stem. Import WordNet Lematizer import NLTK.download, punct. Hashtag this line downloads the punct tokenizer models for NLTK. NLTK.download, AMA 1.4. Hashtag this line downloads the Open Multilingual WordNet, OMW, from collections import counter import re-import matplotlib as mpl.rcparams figure.dpi equals 300. 2. To fetch the dataset and read its content, add the following code. 4. From google.colab. Import drive.mount/content/drive. 6. Text equals open/content/drive/my drive/nlp/2. Feature extraction methods in nlp/text_c. 3. The text in the fetched data is not clean. In order to clean it, we need to make use of various pre-processing steps, such as tokenization and lemmatization. 7. Hashtag this user-defined function apply hashtag the tokenization and lemmatization process for cleaning text def lematize_an_clean text. Hashtag this line of code downloads the WordNet corpus, hashtag which is a lexical database for the English language. NLTK.download, WordNet. Hashtag create the object of WordNet Lematizer class Lematizer equals WordNet Lematizer. Hashtag clean the text cleaned_lematized_tokens equals lematizer.lematize, word.lower. 4. Word in word_tokenize, resub, r, /s/w_ plus, return cleaned_lematized_tokens. 4. To check the set of unique words, along with their frequencies, as well as to find the 50 most frequently occurring words, add the following code. 9. Hashtag this line of code shows the 50 most frequent words. Counter, lematize_an_clean, text, .most_common, 50. Out 9, the, 31, 2, 12, and 8. Of, 8, field, 7, on, 6, 5. Once you get the set of unique words along with their frequencies, remove the stop words. Then, generate the word cloud for the top 50 most frequent words. Add the following code to implement this. 17, stop words equals set, stop words, cleaned_text equals .join, lematize underscore an underscore clean, text, word cloud equals word cloud, width equals 800, height equals 800, background underscore color equals white, max underscore words equals 50, stop words equals stop words, min underscore font underscore size equals 10, dot generate, cleaned underscore text, plt dot figure, fig size, equals, 5, 5, face color equals none, plt dot imshow, word cloud, interpolation equals bilinear, plt dot axis, off, plt dot show,